Bring home a robot, bring home peace. Milagrow Human Tech aims to empower humans across the globe with the latest technology, making everyday chores effortless. Introducing Redhawk, a unique robotic vacuum cleaner, the answer to every urban consumer's cleaning needs. Features include auto charging. The Redhawk will automatically return and connect to the charger by itself once the battery is less than 15%. Auto scheduling cleans at times specified per day or week. UV disinfection. The UV bulb at the bottom of Redhawk destroys bacteria and disinfects all surfaces. Auto obstacle detection. On encountering an obstacle, it backs up, rotates and finds a clear path. Works on all types of floors and carpets. Automatically adjusts to wood, tile, linoleum, carpets and rugs. Cleans under furniture. Spaces under immovable furniture are cleaned. Removes pet hair. The 3-stage cleaning process also picks up pet hair and the minutest dust particles, making your home 100% germ-free. Automatic stair detection. Avoids falling off stairs, beds and tables using 4 infrared sensors. With Redhawk, cleaning becomes hassle-free, economical, hygienic and intelligent. Welcome to the revolution.